So here we are in Juneau. We came ashore to go fly out to Taku Lodge. And we left the ship. It was sunny and bright. We got this far and look what the sky did. It opened up. It's raining. It's misty.
Never sunny, never bright.
What? Are you saying I am falsely
Delusional.
reporting? What?
Delusional.
Delusional? Well, not delusional. It was sunny and bright 15 minutes ago. And I don't know how that's going to move in so
I don't know
fast.
where you were, but where I was, it was foggy and
So if
rainy.
you can see there's a ship. I think even at a distance I can say it's a New Amsterdam where we're headed back because we had canceled our flight. I'm not surprised since you can't see anything. And I don't think a flight in a seaplane is a good idea if you have no visibility.
They're charging people $90 or $45 each to go up that tram up to Mount Roberts. They should be giving you a discount today because you can see the...
You probably can't see it. Yeah, we're not close
well,
enough.
maybe not quite, but...
Where's the wires right there somewhere in the picture?
Yeah.
Last time we were here, it's $15 round trip. Today I said 2. She says $90. I says, what do I get for $90? I says, you get to go up and come back. I said, it was $15 last time I was here. I said, well, times have changed. So yeah, well, so have I.
Not paying $90 to go up in the fog.
I put my wallet back in my pocket and says, I will see you next time. Anyway, I don't see anybody in the tram right now. Here they go.
Kind of a hard sell.
Oh, here they
today.
go. Here they go.
Oh, is it going?
Yeah, it's going up.
There it goes.
You look past Tracy's King Crab Shack. Oops. There comes the tram. Going up into the fog. I guess I can't even see it. It's probably on the screen, but I can't see it. There it goes. $90. Well spent. By somebody, I guess. Certainly. How y'all doing?
That's fine. How are you?
Fine. And they disappear into the mist. I don't think there's gorillas up there, but I think that's an old movie. Gorillas in the mist, maybe I'm wrong. Anyway, here's the brewing house. I have water in. Let me see what I got here. That looks better. There's the brewing house. And there's the downtown. And there's the other end of the pier. So I'll move on in this fantastic voyage. As you can see, most everybody's well equipped with a variety of rain gear. Where are you going? So we're going to go buy some diamonds.
No.
Oh, no. I misunderstood her. I thought you said we're going to buy some diamonds. Probably going to try our hand at smash and grab at the diamond store. We'll see how it goes. I brought a hammer along with us just in case this opportunity arose. Oops. Looks like the crowd's pretty thin. But nevertheless, I don't think we're buying any diamonds today. It is interesting how low the tide is. You can see on the post, the water is usually 20-some feet higher. That sound is an exercise on the ship. We're going to pretend it's on fire. I hope that's what it is. Not really on fire. Here we have a ton of craft Look at that. That's what I call crab leg. Beautiful. Thank you. No. As you know, I'm not even a fan of crabs.
Huh?
I'm not even a fan of crabs. I'm just doing this for the hell of it.
Is he still on camera?
Oh yeah. I got 100% battery charge overnight and tons of data storage, so I just take it for my own entertainment.
Like just where you come off and
That'd be fun to walk around and swing and lights.
Okay, I'll try it again. Actually, let's go to the visitor center.
So as you can see, we're headed back to the ship because this experience has been, I'll say enlightening, a little misty, but nevertheless.
No, we're not complaining.
We're not complaining because we're lucky that we had that fantastic trip on the Denali flight, which we only booked because we couldn't book this one to begin with. And then this one came available later, so we ended up doing it. And then we ended up getting here and ended up not doing it. So that's the way life is. We got more water in the lens again. There we go. So we're about to get on the ship, and I have to turn off my camera, sign out for the day, and do